If you want to achieve and maintain hardwood floors that are radiant, fresh and visually appealing, then you should look into these Dyson vacuums. Number 1, Most Popular. Dyson Cyclone V10 Vacuum for Hardwood Floors. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute Lightweight Stick Vacuum can make home cleaning simple and free of discomfort. It has an instant release trigger, and due to that solely utilizes battery power when handling cleaning work. This vacuum cleaner doesn't involve the use of a cord. It relies on a bin that is considerably larger than it was in the past. It's equipped with a smooth roller cleaner head that does away with big bits of debris. It does away with dust that people can barely see as well. Users can pick between 3 distinctive power settings. Number 2. Dyson V7 Vacuum for Hardwood Floors. The Dyson V7 Motorhead Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, Fuchsia, is an inexpensive Dyson offering that can take charge of dust bunnies, dog hair, cat hair, and more. It can remove these things from hardwood floors. It can even remove them from the tops of furniture items. It doesn't involve the use of any cords. That's how it paves the way for cleaning work that is simple and swift. It offers users a docking station that can be appropriate for charging and storage. It can even accommodate extra attachments of all varieties. It has a lower profile. Number 3. Dyson Upright Vacuum for Hardwood Floors. The Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner, Ball Multi-Floor 2, Yellow has a cord that's 31 feet long. It has a cleaner head that can adjust itself. It safeguards suction for wood floors. It can even come in handy for people who have tile floors, vinyl floors, or carpeting. People who use this cleaner don't have to fret about bacteria and allergens hanging out in the air in their living spaces. It has a narrow layout, and because of that can make cleaning cramped home sections a lot more realistic. It also comes with radial root Cyclone technology. Number 4. Dyson Big Ball Multi-Floor Vacuum for Hardwood Floors. The Dyson Ball Multi-Floor Canister Vacuum, Yellow/Iron features HEPA filtration that concentrates on the entire machine. It retrieves allergens and bacteria alike and safeguards them inside. Ball technology enables this device to effortlessly access sections that are rather tricky. Conventional canister vacuums can topple over easily, interrupting your cleaning. Dyson Big Ball Canister Vacuums pick themselves up. Fewer delays, less time wasted. Its carbon fiber filaments pick up fine dust and stiff nylon bristles remove ground and dirt. Number 5. Dyson DC41 Vacuum for Hardwood Floors. Nearly half of the vacuum's hardware goes into the radial root Cyclone technology, and that Cyclone forms the basis for Dyson's entire line of vacuums. The Dyson DC41 Animal Complete has plenty of suction to get large debris or fine dust particles. That's the advantage of having a full-sized vacuum over a smaller one. The long wand reaches up nearly 5 feet over your head to reach high places. That's ideal for getting drapes hung on windows, and it also collects cobwebs in the corners of your ceiling.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.